It's 12:06. I'm going to check in with you at 12:30. You're going to independently work on your CBAs while Ms. Hines and I check in with groups. You do so quietly, please.
So I've done this particular CBA for my 6th year in 2 different districts. The first year I did it, I did not have a one-to-one situation, so we did it as essays. I wanted to give them an alternate way to show what they know.
If you have slides 1 through 3 done, please raise your hand.
So this year I'm teaching a sheltered ELL class. I have about 10 6th graders in that class and the rest are 7th grade. iPads provide equitable access to content and material because they allow students to articulate what they know and understand through a variety of different capacities, whether it be iMovie, Google Slides, Keynote. We did an infographic earlier in the year. It's just a different way to illustrate their understanding beyond writing essays or the other things that we typically do in a humanities course.
You've got 3 sources. So if you can find one more and include
Oh, that's easy. I already know.
include it under background.
It's a very busy classroom, but I'm okay with that because they need to practice the language, not just written, but also verbally, and practice talking to others and formal and informal language. So the iPads allow them to use that technology to express themselves at their level, and it also allows them again to use images and illustrate ideas in ways other than the written language, which is very important, especially for second language learners.
Do you want to include some pictures?
Yeah, I'll include some pictures.
Yeah, include pictures. That looks really good.
iPads really help us achieve our building focus of meeting every student where they're at and helping them reach their success.
And you just include that information here, okay? So when you're done, I'll take a look.
What I loved most was seeing how everything we're doing in the building, what I'm doing in the classroom, and what the district's focusing on, it's all starting to align, and I believe that we're moving in a great direction. I'm excited to see where we're going.